that time of the year to trim these candles off this pine. If you don't do it now, big girl would get pretty big. It makes a lot of a mess. It'll help her.
Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the whimsical world of Scotch Pine Pom Pom, a tree that can spruce up any garden with its elegant spherical shape. But hey, ever wondered how to keep this beauty flourishing? Well, stick around. I've got all the juicy details for you. Let's start with a quick introduction to our star of the show, the Scotch Pine Pom Pom, scientifically known as Pinus sylvestris. It's a charming cultivar that hails from Europe and Asia, renowned for its adorable rounded form that's captured the hearts of gardening enthusiasts worldwide. Now, when it comes to keeping your Scotch Pine Pom Pom in top-notch shape, pruning is key. Picture giving your pom-pom a little haircut to maintain its cute form. I'll share the best timing for pruning and the essential tools you'll need. Trust me, your pom-pom will thank you for it. Timing is crucial, my friends. Late winter or early spring is the sweet spot for pruning your pom-pom. Why? Because it minimizes stress on the tree and ensures optimal healing. It's like giving your tree a spa day. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of pruning techniques. Snip away any dead or damaged branches and focus on keeping that perfect round shape.
You see, over 2, 3, 4 years, there's a lot of older stuff, and this is the original stuff pretty much. You look at the branches, see there's really nothing on it. And some of these that you'll have to prune may look like it's going to make a bald spot, but just know that each and every year, if there's a really good air circulation coming in, this is going to fill in. But at the same time, the work that you do for your customers or for yourself, it's going to speak volumes.
Balance and symmetry are the name of the game here, folks. Your pom-pom will be Instagram worthy in no time. Spring, the season of renewal. Keep an eye out for those new shoots, also known as candles. Gently trim them back to encourage denser growth. It's like giving your pom-pom a little motivational pep talk. Imagine your pom-pom as a gourmet foodie. It loves enriched soil. A balanced fertilizer in early spring is its jam, especially ones high in nitrogen. And don't forget to water deeply, but infrequently. Your pom-pom needs a drink too. Sunshine is the elixir of life for our pom-pom friend. Make sure it basks in full sun to partial shade for that healthy glow. Say no to shady spots. Your pom-pom won't be vibing with that sparse foliage life. Now, let's talk pests, the uninvited guests in our garden party. Keep an eagle eye out for aphids, scales, or pine sawflies. If you spot them, act fast with the right insecticide. Your pom-pom will thank you for being the hero. Nobody likes a party crasher, especially when it's a fungal infection. Prevent needle blight or pine wilt disease by ensuring good airflow and promptly removing infected branches. Cozy layer around your pom-pom to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Remember, give your tree some space to prevent a soggy trunk. Nobody likes that. Occasional shaping for some aesthetic pizzazz? Yes, please. Use hand pruners to refine that silhouette.
Alright, so the tools that I was using, this right here is the best pair. Pruners you can possibly second to you can get. Not my favorite, very time consuming. This is a lot of times what I use for touch-up detail. this guy right here. He's a beast.
And say goodbye to any stray branches. Your pom pom will be runway ready. Let's peek below ground. Healthy roots mean a happy tree. Watch out for compaction and waterlogging. Aerate that soil and avoid stirring up trouble. Your pom pom's roots will be doing a happy dance. As your pom pom grows older, kiss goodbye to frequent pruning. Adjust your schedule to avoid overdoing it, and your tree will age like a fine wine, gracefully. How about some plant BFFs for your pom pom? Low-growing shrubs or perennials can take your garden game to the next level. It's like having a support squad for your beloved tree. Stumped or confused? Reach out to the green thumbs in your community. Arborists or horticultural experts have your back. Don't be shy to ask for help. Your pom pom will appreciate it. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to caring for your precious Scotch Pine Pom Pom. By following these tips, your garden will be the envy of the neighborhood. Remember, a little love goes a long way in keeping your pom pom thriving. Subscribe for more plant-related content, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening, everyone.